Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. On tonight's menu, Scrumptious Resourceful Pasta. Here's the morning mise en place. And just after prep, all the goodies. The second mise en place with everything in the order of appearance. Melting the butter on about medium heat. The hot bath is ready for the pasta. And I add the onion, saute for a few minutes. And the pasta is in the bath. And then I add the garlic and saute for about a minute. And I add the red pepper. And then I add the squash. And then I add the spices and the nori flakes. And lastly, I add the tomato. Here's the final veggies. The linguine is out of the hot bath. And here's the final scrumptious resourceful pasta. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.